What time is it? What have you got there? What are you drinking? What's that you're reading? When does the film start? When is your holiday? When it rains, it rains. When's lunch? I wonder why he's so angry. Why don't you do it? Why don't we go in July? Why is he so happy? Where shall we go next? Where did you learn to sail? Where have you been? Where did you find that? Go, went. Do, did. Study, studied. Read, read. Catch, caught. Cut, cut. Cry, cried. Wear, wore. They went to Paris. She did her homework. She studied English. She read for an hour. He caught the ball. He cut the hedge. He cried many tears. She wore her bikini. The cinema. Director's chair. The actors. Movie camera. Clapperboard. Megaphone. Film. Film reel. Red carpet. Award. Projector. Tickets. The big screen. Front row seats. 3D glasses. Popcorn. The airport. Control tower. Taxi. Terminal building. Luggage trolley. Suitcase. Hand luggage. Wallet. Passport. Boarding pass. Scanner. Departures board. Departure lounge. On board. Captain's welcome. 40 winks.